Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to connect a Nintendo Switch Pro controller to your PC using Steam. If you prefer playing PC games with a controller instead of a keyboard and mouse, the Switch Pro controller is actually a great option. The good news is that Steam has built-in support for it, which means you can set it up in just a few minutes and start playing your favorite games right away. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from plugging the controller into your PC to enabling the correct settings inside Steam. And by the end of this video, your controller should be fully working with your Steam games. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, take your Nintendo Switch Pro controller and connect it to your PC using a USB-C cable. Plug the USB end into your computer and the USB-C end into the controller. In most cases, Windows will automatically recognize the controller within a few seconds. Once the controller is plugged in, open Steam on your computer. When Steam launches, look at the top left corner of the window and click on the menu labeled Steam. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings. Inside the Settings window, look at the sidebar on the left and click on Controller. This section contains all of Steam's controller configuration options. Here you should see options related to controller setup, calibration, and layout configuration. Steam usually detects the Switch Pro controller automatically, but if it doesn't, you can enable the Nintendo controller support option in this menu. After your controller appears, you can click on it to calibrate it or test the buttons. This is useful to make sure every button and joystick is working correctly before launching a game. One of the biggest advantages of using Steam is the built-in controller mapping. Steam can translate the Switch controller inputs so they work perfectly with many PC games, even games that were originally designed for Xbox controllers. Once everything looks good, close the settings window and launch any Steam game that supports controllers. Your Switch Pro controller should now control the game automatically, and that's all there is to it. Your Nintendo Switch Pro controller is now connected to your PC through Steam and ready to use in your favorite games. If your controller ever stops responding, simply reconnect the cable or check the controller settings inside Steam again. Steam also allows you to customize button layouts for different games, so feel free to experiment with configurations that feel comfortable for you. If this video helped you connect your Switch Pro controller to your PC, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming and PC tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.